So you're thinking about remodeling your home. What are some tips that we can give you? First of all, you want to check out every contractor. I recommend getting a couple of bids, talking to friends. You can even talk to us. We have a great vendor list of people that we can give you, point you in the right direction. We don't guarantee their work, but we've had some success with them in the past with one of our clients if we're giving out their name. However, the next thing you want to consider is, are you remodeling for you or for sale, for the future? What are you trying to do? What are your goals? That's where we can come in. We can actually come out to your house, whether it's listed with us, gonna be listed, not listed, you bought it from us, you're just up the block and you wanna know, we'll come out to your house and give you an idea on whether you should do that or not, what level you should do it at, what return could it give you, does it even make sense? Hey, sometimes we've gone out to houses and we've figured out that it's more cost effective to move on. So our ideas are always around, if you're doing any contracting in your house, as much help as we can give you with the people we know, the ideas we know, the value adds that we know, and hopefully help you invest in your home wisely.